Prime Minister Narendra Modi all set to launch BJP's Lok Sabha poll bugle from Uttar Pradesh's Sant Kabir Nagar district today. The Prime Minister has arrived in Sant Kabir Nagar. In fact, he is going to be laying the foundation stone of a research institute to mark the 500th death anniversary of the mystic poet and Saint Kabir Das. The Prime Minister also paid tribute to Kabir at his shrine rather. On Sunday, the Prime Minister hailed the Bhakti movement poet during his monthly address Mann Ki Baat and also credited Sant Kabir for dispelling superstitions about the area. Nilanshu joins us for more on this. Nilanshu, so yes, this visit in fact is going to be quite heavy with symbolism because there's a lot of superstition also attached to this particular area. So just give us a little bit about the area's history and tell us about the Prime Minister's agenda. What all will he be doing today?
आइए मिलकर बोलते हैं.
See, Avantika, first of all, let me tell you that Prime Minister Narendra Modi, along with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, has visited the mausoleum of Sant Kabir Das. He has also laid the foundation stone of a research institute in the name of Sant Kabir Das. And this is a kickstart of campaign for the 2019 polls by BJP from Uttar Pradesh. And this is a very politically significant visit because let me tell you that there are lakhs of people belonging to the Dalit community and the backward classes who are followers of Sant Kabir Das, and it is also said that Sant Kabir Das' father was a Muslim weaver and his ancestors belong to the Muslim community. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi is also trying to reach out to the minorities of the Uttar Pradesh because there are lakhs of people, particularly in the eastern part of UP, which follow Sant Kabir Das. So Prime Minister Narendra Modi and the top BJP leadership are trying to eye lakhs of people belonging to Dalits and OBC from the campaign which he is going to launch today. And all the top BJP leaders from Uttar Pradesh are present in the rally, and it is going to be a mega rally where Prime Minister is expected to launch a scathing attack on the opposition parties. We saw yesterday a video of surgical strike surfacing, and PM can also raise these issues. So it is going to be a high voltage rally, and not only Prime Minister but also other BJP leaders, Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, BJP Chief Mahendra Nath Pandey and senior cabinet ministers are also expected to address the crowd. We saw Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visiting the mausoleum of Sant Kabir Das yesterday in Maghar, and he has also inspected the entire area. So it is not only going to be a show of
Maghar? Why this BJP particular area? Is it only because of the party's intent to reach out to the Dalits? Because Varanasi was the BJP's campaign epicenter, the most holy city of the nation. And today you have the Prime Minister at this place. So tell us about the symbolism and his intent to dispel all the superstition that is also attached to this area.
See, first of all, Avantika, let me tell you that after series of drubbings in the by-polls, particularly in Phulpur and Yogi Adityanath's bastion Gorakhpur, there is a feeling in the BJP top leadership that the OBC and Dalits are angry with how the party is functioning right now, and that is why there are multiple schemes of the UP government which are going to be implemented for the welfare of Dalits and OBCs, and there is a huge population in and around Sant Kabir Nagar district of Dalit and OBCs who are the followers of Sant Kabir Das. So in order to reach out to those people, this rally has been finalized by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He is himself going to address a mega rally, and we also saw PM and Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visiting the Sant Kabir Das mausoleum as well. So this is being done to eye those Dalits and backward classes who are followers of Sant Kabir Das in Uttar Pradesh. There are lakhs of people who are following him, and it is also an attempt to reach out to the minorities because it is said that Sant Kabir Das' father and ancestors, they were Muslims. His father was a Muslim weaver. So they are trying to reach out to the minorities as well. And somewhere BJP's trying to build a strong vote bank of Dalit and OBCs ahead of 2019 elections in order to compete with the possible grand alliance that is being built up between Samajwadi Party, Bahujan Samaj Party, Congress, RLD and other small regional parties of the state.
All right, we leave it at that. Thank you so much, Nilanshu, for joining us. We'll keep coming back to you for more updates. The Prime Minister today in Uttar Pradesh, and he's also going to be addressing a lot of BJP workers. He's there with the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Yogi Adityanath.
Thanks for watching the video. For more such news and updates, please like, share and subscribe to India Today. Also check out our other great videos from our channel. We know you would love to.